You can order the tail light used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Press the trunk release switch and open the trunk. To access the tail light, remove the trunk seal by the light. Then, shift the trunk carpet. Disconnect the electrical connector. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Using an 8mm wrench, unscrew the two nuts holding the taillight housing. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Remove the taillight housing, taking care to free the wiring harness by removing the seal from the car body. You can order the taillight used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new taillight. All the bulbs are supplied with it. Insert the taillight harness into the hole provided and reposition the seal. The light is held in place by studs encased directly in the car body. Put the light back in. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Then, screw the two mounting nuts back on. Plug the electrical connector back in. Put the trunk carpet back in place. Put the seal back in place. Operation complete.